G'day there, and welcome to the 56 Ford F100 rebuild. And this is probably the first video I've made whereby I'm just going to give you an idea of where I'm at the moment. I've just taken all the electrical harness wiring off the front of the bulkhead, as you can see, and thread it through. The rubber that was here from the firewall is still in good condition, believe it or not, after all those years. And so I'll just give you a quick look at this truck all around. It's got a new roof on it. You can see I patched the front there, front quarter panels, chopped off the back here. It's all a little bit rusty. And I've got a patch repair here on the rear floor. You can see I've done the front floors already, both sides. They've been done. The roof's got a brand new roof on it, which has been fitted with panel bond. And here's the section, the rear mounting section that I chopped off yesterday that I've got to manufacture. So that's where I'm up to so far with the cab. I'll make another video and run through the chassis and the engine. They're pretty well already been done. This truck is from Ontario, and it was made there in 1956. I think it's Oakesville in Ontario, and it's an 8-foot bed truck. So she's a 56 F100 8-foot bed, and I hope to have it on the road. You can see it's still got the original gauges in it. It's a cool old school truck. I'm looking forward to driving it.